welcome to today's class. Today we are talking about integers. So let us understand the complete chapter of integers. In this video, you will understand the basics of integers and addition and subtractions of integers. So let's begin. So basically, before understanding what are integers, let us understand what are natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to infinite. Similarly, the whole number are 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinite. In natural number, we don't have 0, but in the whole number, we have 0. So these are the counting numbers. Now, we also have, apart from these numbers, we also have a negative numbers, that is -1, -2, -3 and all that. So that is where the integers will come to the picture. Integers are numbers or the set of numbers along with 0 to infinite. You also have the negative numbers in the integers. So starting from whatever the negative numbers are there and a 0 and to infinite. So this set of numbers is called as integers. So let us understand the number line going forward. How do you draw a number line? The representation of integers on number line. Here 0 would be at the middle. You can find there's an arrow mark on the number line here. That means to say it is infinite. You can add on the numbers to either side of it to infinite. In the middle, you will have 0, and this is the right side of the integers, and this is the left side of the number line. So this is from 0 towards this side is the right side, and 0 towards this side is the left side. Okay. All these numbers towards the right after 0 is called positive integers. These are called positive integers, and towards left side of the number line from the 0 are called negative integers. Okay, this is how it would reflect. So these are the negative integers and these are the positive integers, whereas 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. 0 is just in the middle. It is not even a positive integer nor an negative integers. So let us understand the ordering of integers going forward. Ordering of integers are basically like the values of these integers on the number line. So the values, as and when the values of the integer will increase as they move towards the right. As I said, in this number line, this is the left side of the number line, and this is the right side of the number line. As and when the numbers move from left towards to right, it increases, the value increases. So let us understand with an example. I have two numbers here, that is -3 and -2. So let us find on the number line. So you have -3 and -2. As the second number, that is -2, is towards the right side of the other number, this is greater number. Okay, either you can write -2 is greater than -3 or -3 is lesser than -2. So let us understand with one more example. I have example of -7 and -10 here. So let me check. The first number is -7 and -10. As I said, as and when the numbers move towards the right, that will have greater value. In this, 10 is on the left side and -7 is on the right side. Means to say -7 is greater than -10. Okay. Similarly, let us take one more example on positive integers as well. Now I have 0 and 6. You can find 6 is towards the right of the 0. That means 6 is greater. So 6 is greater than 0. Okay, this is how you can find the order of the integers on the number line. Going forward, let us understand how do you arrange this in ascending order. For example, I have a question here which says -6, 5, -2, 0, 7, -8, -10, 4 and -3. So let us all first mark the numbers on the number line. The first number is -6 and the second number is 5 and the third number given is -2 and 0 and we have 7 and we have -8 and we have -10 and we have 4 and we have -3. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order is from smallest to greatest number. So looking at the number line now, we can know which is the smallest. You know, as and when it moves towards the left side, the value decreases. Similarly, as and when it moves towards the right side of any number, the value increases. So the first number on the left side is -10. So the ascending order would be -10, -8, then -6, then -3, then comes -2, then 0, then 4, then 5 and the last is 7. So it is very easy to know whichever the number is on the left of the number line will be the smallest number. So you can arrange this way to show the ascending order. So let us understand one more example for descending order. Similarly here, let us mark the numbers which is being given on the number line first. So we have 8, that is +8. If there's nothing written on, any sign written on the number, it's considered to be a plus. Okay, we have the first number which is 8. Let me mark that. We have 5 and we have -9 and we have 11. Okay, I'll just write, it is not there. So 11 and we have 0 and we have 4 and we have 6 and we have -2 and the last number is -5. So descending order is nothing but a greatest number to the greatest number to smallest number, from a larger number to a smaller number. So and by looking at this number line, you always know the right side will have more value than to the left. So you will simply arrange this now. So it is 11, then comes 8, then comes 6, then 5, 4, 0, -2, -5 and last is -9. This is how you can arrange in descending order. Okay. Now let us understand the operations of integers, that is addition and subtraction of integers. So let us understand how do we add and subtract integers. Before understanding that, we need to know the rule here. So if there is a plus sign and the second also has a plus sign, we need to add. And if it is a plus sign and a minus sign, we need to subtract. And if we have minus sign and the plus sign, again we need to subtract. And if we have minus and minus, we need to add. Here means to say whenever we have same signs, we add. You can see when we have plus and plus, we add. When we have minus and minus, we add. Whenever there is a change in the signs, whether it is plus and minus or minus and plus, we have to subtract. So let us check the first question here. You can find you have 2 plus 4. Now you can find there's one plus here and one more plus here. So when we have 2 plus, you need to add it. So it is 2 plus 4, which is equals to 6. So it is plus 6. Now we have 5, and now we have plus and then minus. We have plus then minus, so we need to subtract. So that is 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. In this, whenever there is a change in the signs, when there is two different signs, you will always put the sign of the greater number. Among 5 and 2, 5 is a greater number. 5 is carrying a plus sign. So in the answer also we add plus to it. So let us find the third example. In the third example, we have 7, write 7, and you have minus and then plus. So minus and plus, again we need to subtract. So that is 7 minus 5, which is equals to 2. Here you can find the greater number among 7 and 5 is 7. So we need to add the sign of that number here. So let us see the last question. So that is minus 3. So it is 3. And you have minus and minus. So that is minus and minus. We need to add it. So whenever it is 3 plus 4, because it is minus and minus, we need to add. So the answer is 7. But when two numbers carrying minus, we always use minus to it. Hope this video was useful. So if you like our video, please give us a like and do share with your friends. And if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and let us know your suggestion in the comment. Thank you so much, children. Thank you.